Welcome back. I don't have to extort money from anyone. I employ more than 500 employees and pay more than 8 crores tax to the government. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo replied to the allegations by NCP chairperson Trajano de Mello of extortion of money by Michael. NCP claims Michael was attacked for extorting money to grant some license. He has also demanded that the case should be handed over to the crime branch.
NCP spokesperson Trajano de Mello says that Michael Lobo was attacked by outgoing Deputy Sarpanch Cleophas Fernandez for extorting money to grant some illegal permissions. The incident had taken place on Thursday evening. He has demanded that extortion case be registered against Michael and should be handed over to crime branch.
Extortion case should be immediately registered and this case should be transferred to the crime branch and given free hand to investigate into this. The police today, who are very efficient, I would like to come on record, but are handicapped because of the interference of these politicians, that these fights of Cleophas and Michael Lobo has got nothing to do with, as a matter of fact, as an assault, but it is born out of extortion going on there. And that proper share of the extortions are not being distributed. And the reason of the assault, as reported and as claimed and as known by so many people in that area, is nothing but money extorted for granting permissions. And that too illegal permission. You go to court, the court takes you another 20 years. You will not get justice here.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has refused the charges. This is how he replied to Trajano.
Trajano is saying that I have extorted money. He doesn't know that I have around 500 employees working with me. And I don't require extortion money. Mr. Trajano de Mello has become old. And he doesn't know what is the meaning of extortion. If he is trying to put the allegation on me, then he must be sick in his head, because he doesn't know that a businessman never extorts money. He pays income tax, and for income tax, luxury tax and all other taxes, I pay more than 8 crores, which he will not dream of.
However, Deputy Sarpanch Cleophas Fernandez is still absconding. Reporters Shamsundar Fatte and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
Tumi Puritat Prudent. You're watching Prudent.